2110. That is a lot more than off the box. Let's go with another one. $20.97. All right, here we go. We're going to see the difference between on the feet per second shooting at the CVA Hunter. If the weight of the bullet has anything different going on. We're using Fiocchi 200 grain jacketed hollow points and Federal Premium Personal Defense hollow points, and we're going to just see what the difference is feet per second. So y'all stick around and see how it goes. All right. Just going to do a couple of different weight grains. I shoot 180 grain out of this CVA Hunter 44 Magnum. It tends to be the most accurate, and I was just kind of curious what the difference is. You know, if there's how much in the feet per second difference between the 180 and like the 240 grain. So maybe if that's the reason why it's a little bit more off. So we're just going to take a couple of shots. So the 180 grain, I actually forgot the 180 grain bullets at the house. Shoot about 2,000, 2,100 feet per second. Or 240 grain. These are Federal. These are just Federal hollow points. 1732. Yeah, I guess that was a 1732. Do another one. $17.01. So we're looking at about 1715 on the feet per second. Now let's do these are 200 grain Fiocchi hollow points, and we're going to see the 40 grain difference, if there's anything difference on the feet per second. $15.66. It's a big difference. $15.71. Wow, that's respectable. So yeah, 1570, 1565 feet per second compared to the 1800 or 17, whatever the last one was. Difference. So yeah, we're definitely, might not be so much the weight of the bullets. I mean, it might actually break down to what they're packing it with. It's probably the biggest difference right there. Like I said, I've come across, I mean, both of these, some reason don't like grouping out of this rifle real well. I mean, they're good enough. If you had to hunt with it, they're definitely good enough. I mean, you can hit 100 yards. I mean, you'll hit shoulder shot every time at 100 yards, no problem at that. I mean, you keeping it within a 6-inch group or whatever, which I know 6-inch groups, oh my God, that sucks. Yeah, it does suck. But I was saying, if you had to hunt with it, if it was just one of those things, you could get away with it. Plus, it's a big enough bullet and everything else. It ain't gonna go that far. But like a deer ain't gonna go that far. Now, headshot on a hog, that would be more questionable, you know, at 100 yards, since it does spread around as much as it does. I mean, I've had the groups go anywhere from, I've had 6-inch groups, you know, 3-inch groups. 3-inch groups definitely ain't bad. But like I said, the other one's 180 grains. I keep those, you know, they're 1-inch groups. They're touching. Don't know why. I mean, it's Federal ammo. It's the power-shok is the ones that this one extremely likes really well. But like I said, so there's a difference between Fiocchi and Federal right there. Thanks for watching. For the non-believers,